Chapter 3, Section 2. You do not have to write these down, but know they are in your book. There are words, and you've learned words over the years that mean certain operations. Take a minute to look through these. Look at the words that mean addition. Look at the words that could mean subtraction, multiplication, and division. Once you've read them, come back to the... Alright, section 3.2 is fairly easy. In example 1, they're showing you how to write numerical expressions. Again, this is an expression. 8 fewer than 21 is a phrase, and then 21 minus 8 is the actual expression. The product of 30 and 9 means multiplication, so it's 30 times 9 or 30 times 9 written this way. Pretty easy. You're just looking at those words that you just read in the chart. If you can't figure out what they mean by something, this should help you. Okay, moving on to example 2. Common error. When writing expressions involving subtraction or division, the order is important. For example, the quotient of a number x and 2 means x divided by 2, not 2 divided by x. The quotient of a number and 2 is x divided by 2. Let's take a look. Again, write the phrase as an expression. 14 more than a number, the number goes first, 14 more. A number y minus 75, y goes first. Read it in order, write it in order. The quotient of 3 and a number z. 3 divided by z. Or you can write it like this, 3 divided by z. Read them from left to right, know the order, and figure out the words they give you or the phrases. Okay, do numbers 1 through 6. Show your work. If you need to, I don't think you need to, or there's any work to show on this one. And come on back. Alright, let's take a look at example 3, writing an algebraic expression. The length of an Interstate 90 from the west coast to the east coast is 153.5 miles, more than 2 times the length of Interstate 15 from Southern California to northern Montana. Let M be the length of Interstate 15. Which expression can you use to represent the length of Interstate 90? Okay, so here in A it says 2 miles plus 153.5, 2 miles minus 153.5, 153.5 minus 2, or 153.5 miles plus 2. So the length of the interstate is 153 miles, more than 2 times the length. And here it says let M be the length. So we know we have to have 153.5. We know that it's more than, so it's plus. So the order on how we write it doesn't matter because it's plus or addition. And then it says 2 times. So we have 2 times the length, because the length is M, plus 153.5. So correct answer, A. Example 4. You plant, it's our real life. You plant a cypress tree that is 10 inches tall. Each year its height increases by 15 inches. Make a table that shows the height of the tree for 4 years. Then write an expression for the height after T years. What is the what is the height after 9 years? Okay? Here's the thing. the height is increasing. So you add 15 each year as shown on the table. So here we go. It started at 10. That's all you have is 10. 10 inches tall. After 1 year, you're going to do 10 inches, and it grows 15 inches. Here you do the 1 year, and it equals 25. 2 years. Plot out the expression. Start with 10, add the 15 for each year. So if it's 2 years, you have to do it times 2, and that's 40 inches. And you keep going. After the 3rd year, you do 10 plus 15 times 3 years, and you get this. Okay? By the end, you have 70. The question is, what is the height after 9 years? We start looking at a pattern. So we can start with 10 plus 15. T, if we put a T here, that's the amount of years. Okay? If they say 9 years, I'm going to take a look here. Oops, sorry, wrong. When they tell you the exact amount of years, come on, here we go. You're going to do 10 plus 15t, but we're putting in 9 years. 10 plus 15 times 9 equals 145. All right, so it's 145 inches. Please do the on your owns, number 7 and 8. Show your work, and I'll see you tomorrow in class.